Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Guys, I have recently made this website using AI platform. I have added Ogads smart link on this button. When user will click on this button, then Ogads network will show CPA offers according to user. When that user will complete the required step, then Ogads network may create your account. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get targeted traffic on this website. Guys, this is a movie related website. I'm going to show you how you can get targeted traffic. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. Guys, first of all, you can make this kind of website and then you can add Ogads smart link on this website. I have already made full tutorial about how to make this kind of website. You can check link in the description. You can make this kind of website and then you can go on Google and you can search your Dailymotion. You can visit on this website. Guys, Dailymotion is a popular website. Here you can see this website is getting 190 million visits monthly. And here you can see top 5 countries. This website is getting more than 19% visits from United States. Guys, you can use this platform to get loads of visits on your website. First of all, you will have to create account on Dailymotion platform. You can select your date of birth. You can select your gender. You can type your email address. You can type your password. And then you can click on sign up button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on this button. Now you can click on studio button. It will then take you to this page. You can click on add video button. Now click on select video button. Guys, you can upload here any kind of video. You can upload movie trailer. You can upload short video. You can upload here any kind of video. You can type your title. Now you can type your description. You can type your description about your video. Now you can add here your website URL. You can go on your website. Here is showing URL of this website. You can copy this URL. Now you can paste here. You can select your category. You can select your category according to your video. Now you can click on next button. You can click on next button. You can choose your public option. Click on save button. Guys, here you can see this video is uploading on Dailymotion platform. Here you can see this video has uploaded successfully on this website. You can click here. You can see here all details of your video. You can click here to preview your video. Here is showing my video and here is showing URL of my website. When user will click on this URL, then they are redirected on this website. Here is showing pop-up ads. I have inserted a smart link on this button. When user will click on this button, then Ogads network will show CPA offers according to user. When that user will complete the required step, then Ogads network may create your account. Guys, similarly, you can upload video on bilibili.com platform and Rumble platform. After uploading video, you can add your website URL in description of your video. You can also visit on Facebook. You can search your movies to watch. You can enable public groups. Here you can see there are a lot of Facebook groups related to movie. All these groups have thousands of members. You can join any of this group. Now you can click here. You can upload your movie poster. You can type here some text. You can type this kind of text. You can upload your movie poster. You can add your website URL and then you can click on post button. Guys, here you can see this group have more than 8,000 members. Your post will be reached to all these members. You can get lots of users from Facebook groups. So guys, you can use this method to get traffic on your website. If you want to learn about CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.